little video. It's not well, it's basically the length of the camera, but it's going to be a different video this evening. It's not a tidying video. We're just going to chill out. Soon the cat's eggs gone. Nice. That's gone. Did you eat it? Did you eat the cat's egg? Did you? Seems to have been disappeared, which is nice. I like this chair, but it's a shame it's fallen apart. So yeah, we're just going to run some trains tonight actually guys. It's something that doesn't happen too often, but it's going to be a different type of running session tonight because it won't be diesel, it'll be a steam train. So we might get the Flying Scotsman out for a change. Me? Well, Sasha, don't be the Darby in the candy. You don't want to go in that box, there's polystyrene in it. And you know, you're not intelligent when it comes to doing polystyrene, are you? You're going to love it when you live with family on your own, won't you? You can have mummy all the time. You won't have me, you won't have Casey so much. You'd be you and Pamela all the time. And you had Darcy and Lottie and Star. You have a lot of fun to them lot. It will happen guys, trust me. Ring is having time off, there's this level of stress is going on at our house at the moment. Enough talk of that, because this is just for a bit of fun and just for a relaxing video. I know I don't want to put anything too intense out there. It's already gone 9 o'clock in the evening and I don't want to bore myself out of you guys watching the same sort of content all the time. I try to make it a little different each time, but it's not always easy. We're going to try and find a different locomotive to, I'll put you right at the bottom. Where's all the steam trains? Good question. That's interesting. My hearing has gone a bit strange. It means it's probably because I've been listening to too much live music lately. And I don't get my hearing at the moment because I still love listening to music a lot. Really do, I like singing to it quite regularly. But yeah, I don't really want to do that. That would be sucky if I lose that lot. Where's the steam transfer? Diesels, we've got electrics. There's the Battle of Britain. See, the trains are at the bottom for most of them. We've got the Halogen 33, which of course we haven't run for a while, but not really interesting to run right now. Where's the Flying Scotsman you said? Well, the 4472 should be in here. In luck, but I haven't seen that. Where is it? 4472 in it. Aha! Oops. Not ideal, but should be. I'm not going to be one massively healthy person in my life, but I'll be energetic with my hobbies and, you know, my passions of things that I want to do in my life a lot. And, you know, I enjoy my content I make for people. Sometimes it can be a little tedious, so that's generally fairly normal. You go around and get things like that. Oh yeah, that's why it is. Okay. We won't be using that chair for a while because it's still got the vomit on it. I forgot I protected him. Right, it's a lovely chair. As I said, it was a lovely chair when I bought it brand new, but cat sick has been on it and wrecked it more. So, now we're out of business. You know, freaking splinter my foot. You see how I said frickin' instead of any curse words, because I'm sure there's a lot of people, younger people, watch my videos for some tips and tricks for the model hour and stuff. So that's why I'm careful to what I use when I go on YouTube nowadays because of that. And it makes it safer. That's the company of not just YouTube but also for those with what's that company? Copper or whatever they call it. The system basically makes it suitable for any age. But also make sure you comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch and TikTok. Links to him down there in the description. I'm just knackered. I'm past my energy level time, quite some time. My energy levels at the highest point is in the morning, and it sort of gradually gets more less and less through the day, to the point my brain just switches off. That's all it does. So, yeah. Which I know it's not ideal for some family members, like my sister, who likes to go out in the evening, which I don't. I like to go out in the morning when it's light, sunny, you know. So wasting half the time being asleep and wasting most of the day gone. But I've got no power yet. How do I know when it will be connected? Well, it'll be connected to how it moves. So that will be a sign of it. It basically will be connected. Push it in. The first thing I'm going to order tonight, if I can do it, I don't know what's going on with this system. The fine Scotsman seems to roll backwards and then don't do anything. Very strange. Is it the controller system itself? Because these controllers do have a habit doing strange things. See, might be just to do that pick up on the actual power system. Let's see if I've got some light. Well, if I get it working tonight, I'll let you know. But the phone's got to